Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to roll a ball of yarn. I'll be showing you the easiest way, and this will be a simple tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. If you want to make a ball of yarn, this is the video for you. It is actually super easy to do, but it does take a little bit of finesse, and there are a few simple instructions that you have to follow. At the end of the day, there are many different ways. Excuse me, I just burped. I do apologize. I just had my lunch recently, so I'm sorry. You might hear a couple burps in this. I'm so sorry. Excuse me. And yeah, I got to express my manners, so excuse me. Anyways, I excuse myself from the burp. We are moving on. Basically, it's not that hard to do. And there are many ways to do it, but this is probably the easiest way to do it. As long as you wrap it in a ball, you're going to get a ball of yarn, but this is the easiest way because it can be easy to make something that's going to fall apart. This is going to hopefully stay together if you do it properly. So start off with a nice long piece of yarn, or you could just be getting yarn from a big spool, whatever the case is, okay? But you want to start off with a nice long length of yarn to work with, okay? It can be as long as you want. The longer the yarn, the bigger the yarn ball is going to be. Now what you want to do, start with 2 fingers, and you're going to get the yarn, and you're going to wrap it around your 2 fingers. And it doesn't, you want to do it loosely, so nothing crazy. Just, you can see I'm doing it really loosely. And wrap it around quite a bit. You want a good starting point, just like that, okay? Now, once you've wrapped it around quite a bit, what you're going to do is you're going to take the yarn off of your 2 fingers, and you're going to flatten that out. And you can see right here, this is what the flattened version of it looks like. And now I'm going to take that yarn and I'm going to go around the other way. So as it's flat like this, I'm going to go around this way, the opposite way. So I'm now going around the opposite way of that thing that I just created right there. Okay? Go around quite a bit. Nothing too crazy, but go around quite a bit. Okay? You want to make sure that's going to stay in place. All right. Now that you've gone around that, you have this almost like this little bundle right here. You're going to take the ends, which was the first flat thing that you created, and you're going to fold them. So you're folding them into each other. So as you can see right here, I'm taking the ends and I'm folding them into each other just like that. So I'm folding them. That creates almost like a little bit of a ball. That is going to be the beginning of the ball. Now I'm going to be taking the yarn and I'm going to be wrapping it around those folded pieces, okay, so that they stay together. So as I wrap it around those folded pieces, now it should start staying together, okay? And like I said, you don't want to do it too tight, but you don't want to do it too loose. You got to use your judgment. So wrap it around quite a bit. And now that I've done that, the folded pieces are staying together, and I'm starting to get almost like a ball. So at this point, now we're going to start wrapping it, and we're going to just try and wrap in like one direction and the other direction, one direction and the other direction, back and forth, okay? So I'm going to go in this direction over here. I'm just kind of going, give me a second. I'm just trying to get it all, there we go. So I'm going this direction over here, which is sort of like up and down, okay? And then now I'm going to go side to side. And only a few times each, up and down, side to side. Once you've done that a few times, you're going to start to get a ball formation, okay? And now I have that ball formation. Okay, I'm running out of yarn. I apologize. I thought I had more than enough for this, but now I'm getting that ball formation. Now when you get almost like a square-like shape and it's nice and full, you just start wrapping it and rotating it. So I'm wrapping it now this way, which is like on an angle, right? And then I'm going up and down and I'm rotating the ball. So look, I'm rotating, I'm wrapping, rotating, wrapping, and it's not only up and down, left and right now. It's like this. You're rotating a bit, maybe you're gonna go like that, you're rotating a bit, maybe you're gonna go like that, you're rotating a bit. You're gonna fill in all of those spaces. So wrap, rotate, okay? Wrap, rotate, wrap, rotate, wrap, rotate, wrap, rotate, just over and over again. And you can see right here, I've started to form a yarn ball. And eventually, if I just kept doing that, I would have a big circular yarn ball. The more that you do it, the more circular it's going to be. As long as you're wrapping and rotating, it's going to end up being a nice circular yarn ball. So that's basically it. Literally, you can see it's already starting to form a nice yarn ball. And yeah, that's it. That's how to make a ball of yarn. It's really, really easy to do, and I've shown you the easiest way in this simple tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.